Hi mga mommies and kids! For today's video, we're going to learn vowel sounds. This is Liam.
And Mommy Amy.
Okay. We're going to learn first the short vowel sound. So, this first sound is ah. Say it again. Ah. The next is E. This is E. O. Then like umbrella. Under. Okay, these are short vowel sounds. Okay, now we're going to learn the long vowel sounds. If A and I together, what is the sound? If A and I together, the sound is A. Okay guys, mga mommies.
Yes.
If A and I together, the sound is
A.
The I is S. It's silent, okay?
It's silent.
A. Okay, mommies. A and I together, Liam, the sound is A. And the sound is long A. What if E and A together? What is the sound?
E.
Mommies and kids and Liam. E and A together, the sound is
E. Because
long E. Because letter A
is silent.
It's silent. The sound is long E. What if E together? The sound is E. Together, the sound is long E. Mommies. What if I and E together? What is the sound?
Is I.
The sound is I. I and E together.
The
sound is
I.
long I. The letter E is
silent.
It's silent. If I and E together,
is I.
the sound is
I.
What if O and A together? What is the sound?
Let's see.
O and A together,
Is
the
O.
sound is long
O.
If O comes first, A is
silent.
and the sound is
O.
Long O.
O.
Okay, kids and mommies, what if U and E together,
is U.
the sound is U. If U comes first, letter E
is silent.
And the sound is
U.
long U. Okay? U and E, the sound is U. Okay, let's have a summary.
Okay, let's have a summary.
A and I
is
the sound is A. Long A. What if E and A
is
together? The
is
sound is E. Long E.
E and E
Together,
together
the sound is
E.
long E. What if
I and E together is I.
Very good. What is
O
O?
and A together is O.
O, long
U
O.
and E is
Together.
U.
The sound is
U. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.